In France, strawberries are believed to be an aphrodisiac, and the ancient Romans thought strawberries had medicinal powers. They might be right. Strawberries are believed to reduce the risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Today I'm going to use the OmniBlend I with a 1.5 litre jug, but you can also use the OmniBlend I. Let's add the ingredients. Frozen strawberries, vanilla ice cream, milk and honey. Strawberries, ice cream, milk and honey. Now I've put the lid back on. I'm going to blend this on 20 seconds on high. And there we go. We have our strawberry milkshake.